If you don't like feeling lost but still want to recite the Quran perfectly, then Firdaws Academy has got you covered. Reciting the Quran beautifully isn't just a dream anymore. At Firdaws Academy, we make learning Tajweed easy and accessible for everyone. Imagine understanding every rule, every nuance, and every sound, while feeling confident in your recitation. Our experienced instructors guide you step by step through each Tajweed rule, ensuring you don't just learn, but truly master it. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, our courses are designed with you in mind. Flexible schedules, personalized feedback, and a supportive community make the journey to mastering Tajweed a joyous experience. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your home. No more commuting, no more stress, just pure learning bliss. Join the thousands of learners who have transformed their recitation with Firdaws Academy. Sign up today and bring the beauty of the Quran into your life like never before. Firdaws Academy, where beautiful recitation begins.